In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Cash App tax filing feature. Now, if you're trying to file your tax within Cash App, all you want to do is open up the application and head over to the Explore or Services tab, where you'll be able to find the option called Taxes. Now, once you're inside of the Taxes section, you'll need to enter in and import your documents. You need to import your documents and create a PDF out of it, and then make sure that you enter in all of your information. So you'll be able to come across a form similar to this, where you need to fill in all of your information that is accurate. So you can just scroll down, add in all of your information, tap on continue, and then you'll be able to claim your deductions as well as file your tax return. Once all of this step is complete, you'll need to review your summary so that you can confirm and calculate your refund or the tax amount owed. Once everything is complete, you'll be able to transfer your completed state returns to the IRS and state your tax authority. So this is the exact steps that you can follow in order to use the Cash App tax filing feature. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.